You might be wondering why I'm drilling holes into a perfectly good trash can. It's because I decided to start composting, and I went to buy a composting bin and was really surprised at how much they cost, so I thought I could make one from an old plastic trash can. Started by drilling a series of holes, 8 to 10 holes in the bottom, drainage holes and ventilation holes. Then I'm going to drill the same hole, 5/8 inch diameter, all the way around the outside of the can, spacing them maybe 6 to 8 inches apart. So that'll give you some idea. I'm going to continue that pattern all the way around the whole can. Now it's important to have holes in the can to allow air to come into the can, filter through, to help break down the organic matter. Now if I were to take it and just sit it on the ground, of course those bottom holes would be blocked. So it's important to set up some concrete blocks or bricks on the ground, so now when you put the can there, air can continue to circulate through. Now the other important thing with compost is you want to mix it so that the organic matter at the bottom gets moved up and the new matter falls to the bottom. It can all break down. So with the can, because it's round, it's easy enough to do by just snapping on the lid. You may need to strap it down with a bungee or tie it, and then just roll it around your yard. And again, because you have all those holes, air's going in and you're mixing it at the same time. And then, of course, you have to set it back on the blocks. And within a couple of weeks, all that matter will break down and you got great compost for your garden.